Right, this is the Dave here again with the latest tool. This is a diamond cutting tool. As you can, it's only to do with the shape of that. It's just a bit of high-speed steel cut at that angle, and it can. But I've made it so it can rotate round like I did the other one. So this is just high-speed steel, and that's how it is. Right, so go down the side so you can see what it is. It's about a 16-degree angle in there, and what I did is to make it so I can sharpen it pretty good. I've made this up, and that's at 15 degrees up and across, and I've made another one that side which is 12 degrees. There, that's focused now. That's my sharpening bit. This bit here is a bit I've done. Goes in there, look, there we are. So you can see how it comes out. So that's it there, look, so if it goes in there, that's the shape it gives you. And that's why they call it a diamond tool, because that's the way it is on the top. Looks like a diamond. Simple, isn't it? Obviously this tool was the one that the Australian guy designed, which you can buy off the rack, just that mine's swivels round, and it makes it really easy. I did make another one years ago. I made this one. This is my first one I made, and it's been brilliant. I made this 14 years ago, so they've been around a long time. So that was at a bit of 20mm plate. It's had plenty of use, and at the end of the day it makes it really cheap for your machining. So that's that one, and I've made a round one as well, and I've made loads of other little tools, but I thought you might like to try this one because that's quite simple. So, and it does cut nice, and there we are. As during the television, there's a bit we just done earlier. So there we are, look, each end, and that was done with that tool. So this is Dave signing off. We'll catch you all on the flip side. Bye-byes, wish we're gone. Don't forget the bits at the bottom, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Wish we're gone. Bye-byes.